got your diamonds and you've got your pretty clothes, and your chauffeur drives your cars. You let everybody know, but don't you play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Your mother, she's an heiress, owns a block in St. John's Wood, and your father'd be there with her if he only could. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Your father took her diamonds and tiaras by the score. Now she gets her kicks in Stepney, not in Knightsbridge anymore. So don't you play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Now you've got some diamonds and you will have some others, but you better watch your step, girl, or start living with your mother. So don't you play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Don't you play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. My name's Gavin Stewart. That was Play with Fire by the Rolling Stones. If you liked what you just heard, please hit like. If you'd like for us to meet again, please subscribe. Thanks so much for listening. Much appreciated. All the best.